If you've just started out as either a seller or a TikTok shop affiliate and you're wondering what products you can start making profit from, this one weird product is absolutely crushing it. And let me tell you exactly why. It's a instant tea powder. But why exactly am I saying this product is crushing it here on TikTok shop? Let's look at a couple of things here. I am on a website called Kalo Data. It is a TikTok shop spy tool. That's what a lot of people call it. And it's a spy tool because it allows you to see what's trending, what's selling well currently on TikTok shop. You can forecast what's going to do well for you. You can do product research from a TikTok shop affiliate perspective. You can see what other affiliates are saying in their videos, how much money they're making, which TikTok doesn't show you exactly. You can copy their video ads that they're using and so forth. If you're a TikTok shop seller, this is where you can copy other seller strategies that are already on TikTok shop and that are already succeeding. And if you already know the niche that you're in, you can see exactly what they're doing to win in that niche by seeing some up-to-date information. I will link Kalo Data in the description if you want to try it out. They do a free trial. I'm not entirely sure, but you can investigate and check that out yourself. Let's have a look at our core metrics here. This is under the health and nutrition wellness niche. This is a very consistent niche, and this is where I made my commission as a TikTok shop affiliate. But whatever niche you're in, this is the kind of indicators that you want to look at. We can see here that it's generated 2.4 million in the last 30 days, 84,350 units sold, which is absolutely crazy. Average unit price is $28, which is the perfect sweet spot for pricing these products. And remember, these are people that are scrolling. They're not necessarily on TikTok to buy products. They were doing something else, and this video would have come up suddenly on their feed promoting this tea powder, and they would have thought, hey, this is exactly the kind of thing that I'm looking for. And it's a good strategy to get closer to that sweet spot where people are impulse buying, but also you're making enough profit. And clearly this is working, as you can see here. Now, in terms of the type of content that helps generate a lot of that 2.4 million in the last 30 days, we can see here at the bottom, the sales strategy lives have brought in around $770,000 in revenue, but on-demand video, which is what a lot of people like to do on TikTok, has brought in 1.6 million, and the product card on the bottom right there, that's only brought in $3,000. So as a new seller on TikTok shop, Shopify store, this is where you can now think, oh, all right, this product is making enough profit, this product is selling well on-demand video. It's a good indicator that if you're not a person that likes to go live, you'll still be absolutely crushing it with this product, looking at the results from the on-demand videos here. Another reason why this is crushing it at the moment, we can see this graph here on the right hand side. It's been relatively consistent over the last 30 days. You can look at 90, you can look at 180 days. I strongly suggest you get the paid version of Kalo Data so you've got unlimited searches. But I just wanted to show you guys what you would be getting with the trial. Relatively consistent, as we can see there. Now, to look at when it comes to these products, because you want a 360 degree view. You don't want just a seller view, but you want a view from TikTok shop affiliate perspective, because if you don't have a lot of ad spend budget, you are going to be selling this product organically, meaning you are going to be shipping this product free to maybe 10 TikTok shop affiliates. They are going to make a ton of videos about it, and they are going to make commission, and therefore you start getting sales that way. Win-win situation. Looking at it from a TikTok shop affiliate perspective, we can see here creators that are absolutely crushing it when it comes to selling this product. We can see the top creator in the last 30 days. It's Ann M, 21k followers. She's generated 266,000 in revenue, and we can see there that affiliates get 20% commission every time they promote this product, which ultimately means she would have received 20% of that. If I bring up my trusty calculator, if we quickly work that out, $266,950, and if we multiply that by 20%, your math is probably quicker than mine. 53,390 is the commission that she would have generated. If you were a new seller and you were reaching out to me as a TikTok shop affiliate, is this type of information that you could use to entice me to promote this product. You could say, hey, I know I'm a new shop here on TikTok shop, but looking at the stats, this product that I'm starting to sell is currently crushing it. Look at this creator, look at that creator, look at how much money they made. If I send you this product, will you create 3 videos, 10 videos for me so we can start promoting this product? And a lot of the time, if it's a product that I like and I'm getting the free product, I've got an opportunity to make as much money as these people here, and there's no reason for me to say no. If you want base based in any of these countries where TikTok Shop is currently available, I have got a link in the description to a service that allows you to buy accounts that are ready-made from those countries. So you can use TikTok Shop even if you're not from that country, regardless of where you're based in the world. I'll make sure to link that in the description. This weird instant tea powder is absolutely crushing it, as you can see. One to strongly consider jumping into if you are looking for a product to promote.